Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring you fragrances that are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. They are good value for money. I think they smell good. At least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have a first impression and unboxing of this. This is a CK. Yes, it's a Calvin Klein. I don't have that many Calvin Klein in my collection, maybe one or two. I think I have the Eternity Intense, which is a very good one, and I used to have one or two many years ago when they were still performing quite well, but these days unfortunately majority of Calvin Klein fragrances are watered down. They don't last more than an hour or two, and that's why I don't usually buy them. I don't go for them, but there are, exceptions to the rules in each brand. And although majority of Calvin Klein fragrances are no good, at least to me, for my taste, for what I expect from fragrances, because I buy fragrances from my own hard-earned cash money, and I expect them to perform. I expect them to last long, or at least medium, and majority of Calvin Kleins, as I mentioned before, they are watered down. They don't last that long and they are very weak. This one, on the other hand, I heard many people praised it because its longevity is good and it smells nice, as other people mentioned it. So I'm trying to see if they're alright. Okay, so this one is Euphoria for men, and this is Amber Gold. Euphoria for men, and this is Amber Gold. This one is quite hard to find for some reason. There is a rumor it has been discontinued. I don't know how true that is, but you can't find it almost anywhere. Yeah, there is only one person or one shop in the UK. They are selling it right now for a reasonable price, which is under £40. I'll leave in the description where you can find them. I'm not affiliated, I don't get anything out of it, just for your convenience. And also other places, as I said, very hard to find, and also if you find it, it's very pricey, 80-90 pounds plus. So this site on eBay, there are Perfume shop, which is quite renowned in the UK. They are very reliable. I bought it from them under £40, including delivery, which is a good price. Anyway, so let's go and let's unbox this and see what is the story behind it. Sorry about the noise. This is unboxing. I can't do much about it. So as you can see, the box is simple but minimalistic and nice. Does the job perfectly because it protects the bottle. That's the important thing. And let's see the bottle itself. Okay, so the bottle itself is very cute. They went with, obviously it's called Amber Gold, and they went with amber and gold. As you can see, it's very pretty. It's very colorful, and it's a deep amber with a gold trimming. The gold is like a rose gold. Okay, so far so good. The presentation is good. The bottle is nice. The cap is not bad. It's plastic, but it's good. And the sprayer, let's see. Very good sprayer. Perfect. So far so good. Sprayer good. Bottle is good. For under £40, and wow, I can smell it already. Very strong. It's filling the room. Okay, so many people said this is a room filler, very strong projection, very good longevity, and it smells good. So let's see. Here we go. Beautiful, gorgeous, at least for my taste. Okay, so first thing first, the first blast is sweet. So in terms of sweetness, in the first impression, from 1 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, is around 7 to 8 sweetness scale. So it's quite sweet. So if you like sweet, yes. If you don't like sweet, no. All right, anything else? Okay, so amber. The amber is there and is leathery. So it's leathery, is amber, and is quite resinous, and also it's got spices. I don't know what spice is this, but it's very spicy. It's not cinnamon, but it's some spice underneath it. It gives it that feel of the spicy, like a, it's like a cinnamon, but it's not cinnamon per se, but it gives it that feel of spice biscuit or spice cake. Okay, so first impression is absolutely gorgeous, and this one is better suited for cooler weather, obviously, because it's ambery, it's leathery, and it's quite resinous, and it's spicy, and it's sweet. So everything about it says winter or cooler weather. But I think it's one of those fragrances, if you control the trigger, you can wear it even in heat. I won't say high heat, but medium heat is fine with it. At the moment, it's beautiful. So it's a little bit on the mature side. I won't say it's like very mature, but it's, I would say, easy 25 and up to be on the safe side, because it gives it that mature feel, especially that spice, the combination of amber, spice, and the leather, and it's got a little bit of herbal as well in there. Yeah, these on the in the background there's some sort of herbs in there as well. So combination of these, it gives it a little bit of mature or a little bit of classic side. Okay, so it gives an impression of 70s and 80s. Obviously this is modernized, is today's perfume, because of that sweetness, because of that amberiness, because of that vanilla, because there is a vanilla in there as well. Yeah, the vanilla at the moment is in the background, but you can detect it. It's a sweet, smooth, and the amber is very nice in this. So overall, I really like this, because I wasn't expecting to be this good. I know CK fragrances, majority of them, they are at best mediocre, but this one is very nice. So far so good. Because other people reviewed it and they recommended it, I can say that this is very good. Obviously I will give you update about performance of development and things like that in a few days time, but for now I really like it. So it got a little bit of tobacco feel to it as well. I think that herbs, the combination of amber and the herb, and also the spices, it gives a little bit of impression of tobacco. I'm not sure if it's a tobacco note in there, but it gives it the impression of tobacco. Okay, yeah, so tobacco-y feel, leathery feel, amber, spice, sweet, and a little bit of vanilla at the moment. So this is the first impression, but I really like it. If you are interested, as I said, check it out. I leave it in the description where you can find it for cheapest. But I'll give you the update in a few days time to see how it goes. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you have it, if you tried it, leave in the comments for other people to read your experience. That would be very useful. And also give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos if you find this video helpful, informative, useful. Thank you very much guys. As always, thank you and see you later. Bye.